Hello, my friends. If you have clicked on this video, you are in for a treat today. Let's go ahead and get started. I'm using pre-sliced top ground beef, just enough water to moisten the ingredients. Putting together our sauce, I'm using some Hoisin Sauce, Ketchup, sweet chili sauce, Siracha, brown sugar, Soy Sauce, Shaoxing Wine vinegar, and apple cider vinegar, and my red pepper flakes. To coat my beef, I'm using a blend of all-purpose flour and cornstarch. Sauteing my veggies, adding my ginger and garlic, letting my sauce simmer and reduce just a bit. And we now have our Beijing beef. I'll see you guys on the next one, Yah willing. Shalom.